YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Southside Nate, and I'm back with another video. And as y'all can see, I got this 5.3 liter right here, this donor, out the Abbey. I'm ready to put this baby back together, man. I got everything that I need laid out right here. Got a few things in that bin right there, some stuff up there, and a few things inside of Ruby. But I ain't gonna do too much more talking, man. We gonna get straight into the action on this video. Okay, YouTube, right quick. I'm going through, putting the main caps on and the main bearings. So what I got going right now, got some plastic gauge up there, check for my clearances. I'm gonna go through, torque everything down, then take it back and loose, check the clearance, and we'll go from there. All right, YouTube, so I just got finished going through the torque specs. Y'all can see my little plastic gauge mark. Look about the same on all of them. I got the caps right here too. Oh yeah, we're good. Clear to go in, I just gotta clean this off. All right, all the clearances was good. I just got finished cleaning the plastic gauge up. Now I'm about to go ahead and lube everything, and we can go ahead and drop this crank in there, torque it down for good. So first pass, 15 foot pounds. Okay, so. 1-0. All right, YouTube, I got all the pistons in, all the rod bearings on. Bottom end almost complete. Haven't torqued it yet, but I did get them all in. But like I was saying, all I gotta do is torque all my rod bolts. And once I torque them, I mark them with the paint. But y'all see how I got my markings to make sure I put the right rod cap back. All along got special markings so they'll know, I know. Or in the future, somebody else going there, they'll know too, you know. But yeah, all the pistons, rods is in the crank in the. Just gotta torque them down. I'm not gonna torque them down today. I'm running out of time. So when I get back out here either tomorrow or the next day, first thing I hop on is torquing down them rod caps. And then we gotta get these cam bearings in. Like I said, it's either I'm gonna have to get a different tool or I'm gonna have to get somebody else to do it. I don't know which route I'm gonna go yet. Yeah, I know my whole point of doing this is because I like to learn this stuff, get to know how to do it myself. So I'm thinking about, I'm gonna order the tool from Summit. It's solid. That one I got over there, it got weak points because it come apart. So this one right here come apart. And every time you hit it, you screw it together tight, you put it in there. When you hit it, once you hit it, all these parts right here come loose. You can feel it twisting, so it got a weak point in it. So I'm gonna have to get a different tool. So yeah, let me clean up most of my little mess right quick. And I'm gonna hop on the road. And this baby gonna be a to be continued. All right, yeah. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Ready to get this baby back on the road, boy. But yeah, this tool did good getting the cam bearings out. But putting the new bearings in, she dropped the ball. Tool worked good though. You just put it on the piston, tighten that down, slap it up there, smack it in. $13 it worked good. I'm going to get my money back though. What I do with the box? I gotta charge my Milwaukee batteries, and I gotta charge my battery for my ratchet. coming along now. I gotta change that gear. We'll get to that when it's time. But yeah, man, I cut y'all back on when there's some more action, baby. Let's get it.